all you wonderful folks out there. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Even if you're a subscriber or not, really appreciate you being here. So, today I'm taking you on a hike. I'm over at the beautiful Bath Beach over on the east coast of Barbados, and today we're hiking from here over to Quonset Bay and back, of course. Alright, it's a short hike, but it's beautiful. Scenery is spectacular. Let's get into it. Well, I won't lie to you, it's incredibly warm today, but at least I've got some sunshine. I tried to shoot this vlog last weekend, but there was a lot of rain. That didn't work out. So here I am trying to get it to work today. Beautiful weather, absolutely gorgeous, but it is warm. I'm sweating so much from going up and down. Anyway, let's get on. Alright, so I made it to the top of the very first hill. It's quite a little incline there, some loose terrain, but there's some ropes there to assist if you need help getting up, but it's really not that bad. Still a little out of breath, perhaps a little out of shape. But I'm going to make my way now to the very top of this part of the hike, and then we're heading down into the next section, which is Quonset Bay. Alright. Okay, so far as I've been walking on the trail, I keep hearing some rustling in the leaves and the brush, and I've just discovered that it's just birds. They're just walking around in the bush. I thought maybe there was people coming or something, but no, it's just birds. Also too, I'm hoping that there might be some monkeys in here. Maybe I might find one or two. I'm hearing some rustling in the trees, so I will be on the lookout for those, and if I see any, I'll try to capture them. Well, try to film them. You can see this yellow ribbon here. So these are tied on a lot of the trees, which are markers that other hikers have put up, as well as the mountain bikers, because they use this trail a lot. So it's well marked, easy to get from one place to the other. Just follow those yellow ribbons. Simple. Sorry. Alright guys, well I've made it to the top of the trail. As you can see behind me, there's some very picturesque and beautiful views out there. But there's a really beautiful view coming up right now, which I'm very excited to show you. This is kind of worth the hike in itself, in my opinion, because it's so pretty. And today, especially, it's really pretty. Alright, so I'm making the descent now into Concept Bay. It's a little bit loose here. We are in dry season, so everything is a little bit loose. So you just have to be careful walking down here. But it's not too bad. Ooh, it says almost slipped there. Okay, so as you make your way back into Concept, you come back into a slightly more shaded or wooded area again, and I am now entering that. It's quite a bit of a relief, but yet it is much warmer down inside here than on the outside when you're exposed and not here inside the foliage. A lot cooler I should say. Breeze is coming off the hill, coming off the ocean, and it is lovely, absolutely lovely. All right, we keep pressing on. All right, guys, well, welcome to Concept Bay. We made it all the way over from Bath Beach. I'm just gonna take a little walk around here. You can see all the fishing boats that are up here, either getting repaired, have been repaired, getting ready for the next fishing season, I guess, or whatever, I don't know. Yeah, but this is still a very active fishing village. As far as I know, I'm pretty sure that's the case, because I think a lot of fishermen still head out from here off the pier. In fact, I can see a few boats out there that look like they're been fishing recently, so to speak. But we have some guests. Look at these little guys. They're just getting some shade.